Check. 1, 2. Keep it moving, keep it grooving, keep it flowing. Keep pursuing your dreams, keep on growing. Blowing the breeze, breathe, keep it going. Ride the wave, read the poem, be the poem. Keep it moving, keep it grooving, keep it flowing. Keep pursuing your dreams, keep on growing. Blowing the breeze, breathe, keep it going. Ride the wave, read the poem, be the poem. I'm from the Midwest, top to bottom. Summer in the city, born, island-blooded believer in love heals. I feel most folks and say hi almost unconditionally. Spiritually, I know just enough to keep searching. Tight-eyed often, I see everything I can, limited though by so-called manly, lonely, and holiness. I am so-called blessed to have experienced and survived parenthood. By the way, patriarchy puts fathers farther. Yo, you know, for the life of me, I can't find a receipt for that soul I sold. Yo, you can buy Psychoses wholesale. There's an app. Like, share, subscribe. You get a new issue every month, sons. We are in recovery. Earth's rediscovery. Uncovering new corners of this planet daily. Maybe in search of renewed purpose/service. If worth is measured by our truth, I'm not suicidal anymore, but I've worn that hat and I know now when something ain't right. I walk down the river and something ain't right. Santa Cruz is a paradox of a paradise. Inferno fertilized, I inherited property in purgatory. My story spans miles and miles. God, I hate it here where justice lies flat. Where long walks in the sun, cold suck and stretch each sudoriferous gland to its limit. Where living your best life is a criminal offense to a long line of tourists turned colonizers settled in our ways once was. Is Sweetwater for sacred elders. At 46 in 2023, though, I am no longer subject to gravity. Having lived, worked, and struggled in at least 7 major cities, never before have I been so exposed to homelessness, mental illness, and substance abuse. New to this planet, I'm shocked how hot the block is. I'm just a domestic abuse-enabled latchkey grandma's boy who toys with words and blazes, bumping J Dilla daily. I'm just a coyote, smuggling dreams, yipping at the moon for dancing. I've observed from afar for a spell, and I gotta tell y'all, something ain't right. My black and brown folk all beaten till broken and tokenized. Eyes wide shut in such close proximity to our dreams, our evolution. Look but don't touch. Look close and you won't want. What the fuck will it take to make you make a difference? No more ashtray change to sedate your traffic light humanitarianism. No more shaking your head at a zombie on a stolen jump bike. No more sidewalk tents or tense exchanges with a loved one lost turned Nosferatu. Cops too polite, too uptight, wanna fight the night. His daughter dragging in melted Mac, throwing up entitlement all in her highlights. Life under this bridge echoes a stagnant smell. Shame inoculates in shadows, dim lights smile defensively with extensive knowledge of the new hard times, trying hard to halt the river from rising above our empty expectations. The county is lactating, feeding its 170-year-old infant soy formula and chamomile, but I like it here. Like a satellite that fell into an unknown perfectly sized ocean. 93 till infinity stones stacked like chakras. I'm still twisters and thunderstorms at heart. I'm still sharp winter winds and slaying spit, fam. Damn, Joe, but Joe, I love it here. Like listening. My partner and I, glistening through the trees at each other. Just wondering where the rainbow went. Thank you.